Welcome you all in today's session. And today we are going to cover only one topic of lesson number 6. That is last topic of this lesson. And after that, we will revise the lesson. The topic is importing data from Word. PowerPoint has the facility to use data from Word, Excel, etc. and use it in your presentation. Importing data saves your time and efforts. What, what is its mean? It means that if we already type something into Word or Excel, sorry, if we already type something in Word and Excel, then we can use same data with same formatting in our PowerPoint slide. Then there is no need to write it again in PowerPoint. Okay. So what are the steps for that? Follow these steps. Click on the Start All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. Click the outline button in the document view group and view tab. First of all, I am going to open MS Word. You have to look it very carefully because every step is very crucial. Okay, we already open it. Click on outline tab button in the document view. Click on the outline tab in the document view tab. Okay, let's go view, outline view, like this. Okay, view and then outline view. Okay, student. After that, let's read. Type the text as shown in the figure 6.10 and click the close outline view button. Return the print layout view. अब जैसे यहाँ पर हमने कुछ लिखा हुआ है, we have to write in the same way, or you can write according to your value. No problem at all. Let's start. First of all, types of software. Then Microsoft Excel. Then any name, suppose CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and PageMaker. Any name you can write. Even you can write means a computer. No problem at all. This is only dummy data. Okay, when I typed it, what will do? Type the text as shown figure 6.10 and click on close outline view button to return to print layout view. Now we have to click on close button. Where is close button? This is our close button and we have to click on it. Save, yes. Suppose my name is types of software. Again go in the Word and open the file. Like student, this is our file. After that, select the type. Select the first line and applying heading 1 and 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, Let's do it. Select first, and this is heading 1. Okay. Now second, this is heading 2. Now third, heading 3. Again, suppose heading 3. This one, heading 4, like this. Okay. After that, what will happen? Any heading we can repeat as well, right? Click on the save button on the quick access toolbar, save the dialog file the name, and save the button existed, right? After that, what will happen now? Suppose I am giving it heading 2. Now save it. We save the file, and after saving file name, click on save button. Now exit from Word document. Now we have to exit from it. File and close. Again file, or you can click directly from here. This is close. Now this MS Word is closed. Okay. Now next command. Start Microsoft PowerPoint and open any existing presentation. Click on View tab and select the slide sorter view. Suppose I am going to start PowerPoint, and we already open any slide. Suppose I am starting same slide which we have already completed in our previous lecture, right? Click on View tab and select Slide Sorter View. Click on View tab and Slide Sorter View, like this. Okay. After that, let's turn next page. Okay. Let me zoom it for you so that you can see it. Now click on the new slide drop down menu and click on new slide drop down menu on the home tab. Select the slide from outline option, right? Where I have to click home tab, and from there new slide, and new slide, from new slide select the slide from outline. Okay, let's do home tab, new slide, slide from outline. This is the option, slide from outline. Click on it. Now you have to choose. Okay, after that the insert dialog box will appear. We already see that it is also is there. Browse the location of the Word file, type the software, select insert. Now find the file where it is. The name of the file was software name, I think so. Let me check first. What was the name? Types of software. Yes, types of software. Now click on T. I have to see the location of the file. Types of software, it is in my document. It is in my document, and document. Types of software. Yes, here it is. Click on it and click on insert button. Okay, students, now you can see the file. I am going to double click on. Look, students, you have same file as you typed in MS Word. It is the beauty of this command that you can design any file into any software, just like MS Word or in Excel, save it there, and you have to bring it with the help of new option, new slide, and slide from outline. With this command, you can save your time and you can insert the data directly into PowerPoint. You can insert data from MS Word or MS Excel. So students, here we completed our lesson. This lesson is also completed. Including this lesson, I am going to send you the answers of the questions and back exercise of previous lessons also. Then you will get the answers today positively, and after that you have to write these answers or back exercises into your book. If you have new book, you have to write into your book. If you have old book, then you have to then you can paste some slips on the answers which are previously written into your old book. Please paste some slips, blank slips, and you can write on that space. Otherwise you have to maintain a notebook for the answers, right? So it is the end from my side. Have a nice day.